Hey guys, it's Joe. We're out here on Longboat Key in Bayou Sound, and here's one of our finished remodels. We're so excited with the final product. We got to use some really unique colors. We got to do some great custom work with the shower area. We used some 3D tiles in the toilet room, the water closet, and we're just so excited with the finished product and how it came out. Configuration wise, we didn't change a whole lot in this space. We did keep most of the plumbing close to where it was to begin with, but we edited in a way that improved how the space flowed and how it functioned, and just created a better working space for the client, as well as just aesthetically speaking, it really opened it up and made it feel much larger. Prior to the remodel, the tub was kind of coming perpendicular off the wall out into the middle of the space. Created this kind of weird separation between the shower and the rest of the bathroom. So one of the things we decided to do was kind of move it on out of the way and create a walk-in shower. And as part of that, using the aquas and the teals as our accent color, we're able to bring in like a really great jewelry strip into the shower area, accented by this cool rain glass. And then if you step in here, you get to really see how we integrated that jewelry strip with the tile pattern into the niche in the shower for the products, as well as this really cool corner bench. You know, you can sit down, rinse your legs off. Just a really cool area that we were able to create in the shower to keep the space feeling nice and open. Another cool thing we were able to do with custom parts out of the Elmwood series was to create this TV surround. So it gave us this great box, kind of recess, get the cables out of the way, but it adds a little accent to this side of the room, tying it in with the vanity, and it's all part of the same cabinetry, so it all coordinates, and it gives us a really nice finished look. The client really loved this three-dimensional tile, and in order to kind of find an interesting way to use it in a cool space, we thought, why not put it in the water closet? You know, you can do bright, vibrant colors in there. Kind of works like a powder bath. Powder baths you have fun with. You know, you put a fun wallpaper or a fun color. Same idea with like a water closet. So we used this 3D tile, kind of 3 feet up on the wall, and then we picked a color that accented the teals and the aquas for that color that we're using in this space, and it just really kind of sets it off. So for the vanity, we just wanted to kind of accent how you use it, improve its functionality, and just kind of give more storage. So one of the cool things we were able to do was the area where the sinks are, we kind of bumped out, a little proud of the rest of the cabinetry in order to give it a little more importance, but it also gives you more usable space. You know, if you wanted to set things down behind, a little more usability, great functionality, and as well it gives this great look aesthetically because it adds depth and dimension. We're really excited that these Elmwood cabinets, like the finish on them, adding that graze that complements the Happy Forest tile that we did on the floors and in the shower walls. We're just super excited with how everything turned out. One of the cool things we get to do with the Elmwood series of cabinets is we get to really customize things for particular applications, for areas where you might want to do something a little bit different. This is one of those cases where we're able to get molding and trim, so we could trim out this mirror that matched the cabinetry, so it really tied the space together. So coming into the closet, we had this really awkward space that we wanted to maximize its usage. So if you see here, you come in, you've got the door, we kind of shifted where the door opened and how it opened in order to give us nice storage behind it. Worked with the clients, but the awkward part of this space is what comes around the corner here. We've got this little pocket of space, which ended up being a great location to have shoe storage, have some shelves. We're able to kind of work with the clients and come up with the idea with them to help this space function and just be what they need it to be and work the best for them. That wraps it up here in Bayou Sound. We have a lot more projects to show you, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.